Hey guys, I hope you... Hold on a second. That was just... guy. I hope you enjoyed that helmet thing I did before. That will be for everybody. But, so, I'm gonna make another one right now. And then later, I might do a first person, just like me walking around and watching TV and such. So, yeah, this is it. This is my neighborhood. Those are my neighbors. I don't know who they are or anything. They're neighbors of one of my friends. Yeah. Crap. Okay. Sorry that I have to end it here.